he drives Monday through Friday. Friday afternoon when he parks his bus, he gets in his car and truck and drives down the Mount Rainier Scenic Railroad. And he's either firing the steam engines or conducting. And he works on they have to have paid employees now, so he's paid to do that.
Okay.
So he's working 7 days a week.
Oh my word.
So he just had his off now for February. Into December to February. So he's
Well, wish him hi from me.
I will. In fact, he was here.
Oh, okay.
With Mount Rainier Scenic
Doggone,
Railroad.
I had to get out of here at 9:40.
It's all the way up.
Yeah.
There's no battery out there.
Hand like in his tail wagging train.
I didn't testify. I didn't speak with you.
If you ask for permission, just do it. A bunch of radicals. The land? Wow.
You mean like the local area network land? I don't know what that is.
Ambassador.
Oh, the ambassador. No, I'm not even close to it.
Wow.
I have no contact.
Deny Rick the ability to even access the community. Well, that's the kicker with the land. It's like they want people to engage it, but yet a lot of it's walled off. But don't do what they do.